አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ የመረጃ የምክርና የአውታረ መረብ መድረክ ነው። ለእናንተ ጠቃሚ የሆኑ መረጃዎችን በጤና፣ በትምህርት፣ በንግድና በተለያዩ የማህበራዊ ጉዳዮች ይዘላችሁ ይቀርባል።
This case is a special situation where it educates us to how to use a cancellation of deportation. How do you cancel a deportation decision by immigration judge? Let's see her case. First, this woman immigrated into the United States illegally in 1999 from Ecuador. She resided in America for over 25 years while having 3 children as U.S. citizens born in 2000, 2011, and 2016. So, immigration judge, after contacted her in 2015, stated that she has resided in the United States illegally, so she has to be deported. She admitted the situation that she came into the United States illegally, but she stated that she has a valid reason for her to get a deportation cancellation. How is that possible? First, immigration judge shows that those immigrants who qualify for immigration deportation first have to reside in the United States for over 10 years, minimum 10 years, continuously without leaving the United States. Second, they have to have a good moral character in the United States. Third, they should not have any kind of criminal or minor offenses in their record. Fourth, what it says, there is a due process that should be taken into look at, such as health issues of her children. Her first child is suffering from depression, mental health issue that should be considered. A third child is suffering from asthma. She provided a detailed medical record from her child's doctor to support this case. So immigration had looked at all these facts. She fulfilled the criteria in the first 3 points. First, she resided in the United States for 10 years continuously. Second, she has a good moral character. Third, she has no criminal offenses, including DUI, driving under the influence of alcohol or drug. She fulfilled all this criteria. The fourth one also, she stated she fulfills it, but immigration judge denied that because these children can get medical help in Ecuador, even though the Ecuadorian health system has its own problems. But the Ecuador's health system should be able to support her children, to provide mental health care, to provide asthma care. And finally, what they said, even though her last child has asthma, due to extensive medical examination, they found out that it is interactive airway for other foreign substances. It could be pollen, it could be fungus, it could be other reasons that triggers asthma kind of attack, but it's actually not asthma. That's what they decided based on the medical fact. Due to these facts, the immigration judge has denied her staying in the United States, and also denied her a deportation cancellation request. This put her on a situation to put a Board of Appeals claim that immigration judge has created an error, mistakenly denied her rights. The Board of Immigration Appeals has reviewed all these 4 criteria and stated that immigration judge has decided the fact based on what they have on hand, and they decided it correctly based on the facts. So immigration of Board of Appeals also denied her of her request for cancellation, deportation cancellation. And her situation, she has to be deported to Ecuador because she exhausted her immigration law support and claims. I'll put the link in the YouTube comment for your reading reference. Good luck.
ዌብሳይታችንን akulkulufamily.com ይጎብኙ። በሶሻል ሚዲያም ከተሉን። አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ